day 28, and I have this saying printed out: we do not remember days, we remember moments. And I wanted to put this in just to mark that, and it was basically just a magazine picture. But what I want to show you are a few of my just really special memories of Christmas with my family and friends. So this is me and my girls when they were both in the country at the same time. This is Tam with Snowbell, and this is me and Tam when we went ice skating and had hot chocolate, and she put one of them funny filters on. So we look like, I don't know what we look like, reindeer or something. So here's a blast from the past. Do you remember making your children send thank you letters? I've got this book that's got Christmas poems in, and I thought this was so funny. What a nice jumper, Auntie. I've always adored powder blue and fancy thinking of orange and pink for the stripes. How clever of you. Just so funny. And I wanted to use that as my inspiration for today. So I did dig out an old letter that my little Tam had sent to my uncle and aunt. She's now gone, and my uncle has given me all the letters back. And this is like when she was little, and I used to make my children send thank you letters. I thought it was only right, so they were fine. They sent them, and then we sent a card. And so I'm going to put this in today just as a little reminder. And I just thought it was, I don't want to stick it in. I want to be able to, still get at it. I suppose I could just put it down like that. So, yeah, I can keep this one in here. I've got loads more. I've got them all been sent back to me now, which was quite nice. Because she's obviously kept them all that time. This was January 2002. So Tam would have been, when she was born, 93. She would have been 9 when she wrote that back. And I just thought, it's just so cute. And I wanted to put on some of these stamps that I've got, because I've got loads of them. I don't know. Should we just put one on or two? Let's put 2 on. I just ripped a couple out. Can't have it over the edge. And then I can still get the letter out and read it. So we've only got a couple of pages left. What day are we? Today, 29th. Oh yeah, I've given up trying to make it. I'm using these stickers now to put my days on, but now I've run out of. Oh, I haven't, have I? Because 29. They're very quick ones now because I'm getting into wanting to do something different. So I'm just being really quick and I'm squashing them all together. So you're only seeing these every couple of days now. So there we go. That's another really easy page. But I'm going to add this on, I think. I'm just going to cut this out. I love the little quote, the little poem. But I just want this on. I think it's important that we do teach our children to say thank you. I can't fit that on now. I'm going to go up here. I'm going to go up here above. And we should say thank you, not just children. There we go. That's just a little memory for me. Tomorrow, I'll be back. Or maybe I'll leave it. I might do it. I might do 2 on New Year's Eve. I might do these 2 pages together. So I will see you then. Thank you so much for joining me, guys. I do appreciate it. And we're going to get back to some proper junk journalings very soon.